Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If you want to see how I slayed this closure wig from Jessie selection, stay tuned. Hey girl, hey! So first things first, this is how your wig will arrive in this very nice box from Jessie selection. Never mind the fact that it got beat up a little during shipping. The hair is protected in this plastic bag labeled with a description. I love that you get a pair of lashes. There's also a thank you card and 2 wig caps in your order. You also get extra bands in case you want to make this wig completely glueless. So this is a 4x4 closure wig, and it comes with some baby hairs already left out. There are combs on either side of the wig as well as one in the back. There are also 2 adjustable straps in the back of the wig if you want to make it tighter. And this is a deep wave curly bob wig. It is 100% Brazilian virgin human hair, so it is very soft and luxurious. The lace is pretty light in color, but I'm gonna fix all that later. But it doesn't look like I need to do much plucking because the hairline is pretty realistic already. Now let's go ahead and get her on. First, I'm going in with a little powder on the cap to give it that scalp illusion, and I'm mainly focusing on the middle because that's where I usually wear my part. But you can use as little or as much as you see fit. And I'm also going to add a little bit to the cap so it can match seamlessly. Now I'm just positioning the wig and figuring out exactly how I want it to lay and how far down I want the lace to be. I also inserted the back comb so that the wig can stay in position while I'm styling it. And because this is a closure wig, I only have to worry about installing the 4 inches of lace in the front while I left the sides out to lay my baby hairs down and blend with the rest of the hair. And this is so much easier than having to deal with a full frontal. I'm going to use the Got To Be styling gel, but you can use lace glue if you plan on wearing her a little longer. And I'm just going to apply a thin layer first and make sure it's completely dry with my blow dryer before going in with any more layers. Do not skip this step or you will have lots of white buildup in your lace. With a second layer of Got To Be. After both layers are completely dry, I carefully place the closure piece where I want it, and I use a comb to adhere it to my skin. If you use your fingers, the oils on your skin may cause it not to stick as well. Also, make sure it is not on top of the wig cap underneath. I make sure my baby hairs are separated and laying downwards before tying an edge scarf to ensure a nice melt. Now, after I let that sit a couple of minutes, I add an extra layer of hold with the Got To Be spray. This also helps the lace melt right into your skin. And taking the comb again, I make sure that the spray doesn't clump up any of the hair by combing through the edges of the hairline. So I went ahead and cut off all the extra lace, and to make sure that the edges of the lace stay exactly where I need them to be, I sprayed a little more Got To Be spray along the hairline, making sure that I'm targeting all of the problem spots, and this is what we're looking for, that nice melt right there in the middle. Now, once everything is exactly where I want it to be, I'll throw that edge scarf back on just for a couple more minutes to get everything nice and smooth. To trim those baby hairs exactly how you want them. You don't have to keep them too long, and I just go ahead and take my edge controller with a little edge brush, get those edges right. It's totally up to you. You don't even have to have baby hairs if you don't want them. You can just slick the wig right on back, but this is just what I chose to do for my wig to make it look more realistic. And once again, since this is a closure wig, you do have to style your own edges. So I just leave a little bit out. So right here you see me swooping it on up, swoop and whoop. You know how we do. And it's going to make everything look so seamless. So if your hair gets caught in the wind and it blows back, no one can tell that it is a closure wig. And if you have seen any of my previous videos wearing any kind of curly or wet and wavy wig, I do spray my wig down with, it's just a little water and a little conditioner in it. And then I add some mousse, which will define the curls and hold the curl up all day. So, you know, you won't get all that frizz and everything. So just put this all over your head. Don't miss any spots at all. So all in all, I actually really love this wig. I've already posted photos on social media and everybody's going crazy. Everybody's waiting on me to drop this video, but y'all see it now. Y'all see how fat it is. So yeah, definitely pick this wig up. You will not want to disappoint yourself by not getting this. You can do so many styles with it. You can do the middle part, you can do a little swoop over, and it'll look completely different with every part that you do. So if you love this video, go ahead and thumbs up and comment down below if you're gonna pick this up or if you like this wig at all, and don't forget to subscribe.